Today, one of the witchy fruits that we are going to talk about is called star fruit. I love this fruit for many reasons, but today we are not going to go into this particular video. We're not going to go into why I love this fruit, but what we can talk about is how do we eat this fruit? How do we open this fruit? What is this fruit? Well, again, I said it's star fruit, and we'll have preceding videos or other videos that go in more depth about why this fruit is so magical and why it's so amazing and why we should try to incorporate this fruit into our diets. But for now, I'm going to show you how to open the fruit. So first and foremost, you just get yourself a sharp knife and you want to cut the edges off, just like that. Bam. And you get the other side. Bam. See? Now hence you see why it's called star fruit. All right. Then these edges here, when you see this, you know they are ripe, okay? So anytime you see this, you know they're ripe, sweet, ready to go. So we're gonna take our knife. Again, it's good to have like, you know, a knife that's sharp, if you can. But to be honest, a butter knife probably will work, you know. But if you wanna try to savor the flavor and keep as much of the star fruit as possible, I suggest to get yourself a sharp knife. And maybe in another video, I'll show how to sharpen your knives, even if you don't have like a knife sharpener. Our ancestors didn't have a knife sharpener from Target or Walmart. And I'm gonna show you exactly what they did have and what they used. Okay, bam. So now we got the edges cut off like that, all right, which was so fast, quick, and easy. And the only thing you wanna do now is just bam, bam, cut, cut. And as you cut this beautiful piece of fruit, your thickness is up to you. People cook with this fruit. People juice this fruit, which is absolutely delicious, or they simply eat it. All right, so this is our star fruit. These pieces here, of course, we're going to discard. We don't keep those. And these is what you eat. So if you open this up, you'll notice that they have seeds here. Now, I'm not gonna go into like a huge debate. You guys can down below. But it is said, do not eat the seeds. I'm not encouraging you to eat the seeds. What I am encouraging you to do is to do your own research as to why some people will say not to eat the seeds. So since it's out there that you shouldn't eat the seeds of this or apples, I'm just gonna show you just how easy it is to remove the seeds. You can do this with your little paring knife or butter knife or your finger. It's usually only one or two there. You pop that thing out like that, boop, push it to the side, and good to go. So you can eat this just like that, or like I said, you can cook it with it. I hope you enjoyed the video. I look forward to seeing you for the next one.